So I thought I'd do a quick video on this chameleon. Actually, it's a rooster build. I had problems with the RunCam Swift. I only got so far with it. It just gave me a splash screen, and that was it. Crazy. It's like the third time I've had problems with those. So I went to the old Fox here that I had laying around. Like RunCam's better, but hey. I just wanted to make note of one thing here too, that as you can see on the on this little lip, there's a little notch in there that you're going to have to use your Dremel tool. If you want to make use of that notch to hold down your top plate, just Dremel off that top plate a little bit on the top. I'm using this Racer Star F4S, and you know, it's got the darn battery lead that pops off the back here, and underneath it, it has its USB port. So that's ridiculous. So I have to take off the back plate and the transmitter and, you know, antenna to get to it. But hopefully I've got it all locked in now. But I just wanted to show some issues here. My build, my rooster build, it's looking pretty tight now. Finally, I've taken a long time on this because I wanted to get it as tight as possible, and I think I've done that. I had originally anticipated using a split, RunCam Split, but that's, hopefully I'll get those issues resolved and go with that RunCam Split, because that's a really clean setup and you don't have to carry a GoPro. But just wanted to show you my new rooster, titanium. I think it's got some real good qualities to it. I hear Pale Man broke two arms already, so there is a weak point in these arms inherently. Right here where these bolts come in, there's two holes in the arm, so there's going to be an issue of getting that weak point exposed in a hard crash. So anyway, that's my rooster. I'm going to go fly it a little bit later. Been trying really hard to get everything to work. I couldn't even get the Crossfire TBS Crossfire Nano to work with it. I just got a couple of nano receivers, but they are I'm having problems. I've got issues. I don't know exactly if I'm going the pin out the right way, get it all set up, but I could not get it recognized into beta flight. So if anybody has any issues or ideas there, I actually wired it to the TX RX6 underneath here. You can see the lead still coming off, so I want to get it back on there if I can. But now I'm going with S-Bus and a regular old camera instead of the Split and the Crossfire Nano, which I really wanted to use because it would have made this just so tight. Anyway, that's all for now, and hopefully we'll get it all together and give it a fly here soon, and I'll let you see what that looks like. Thanks. Talk to you soon. Bye.